gardens on the right we're going down to. On there. You can see peacocks on the other side.
There's a peacock in there, over there.
Filling it up with food, that's a good idea. You can have something to eat, most probably here. And it's great inside. Some of the room is fantastic. The reflections coming from the lake. Lovely reflections coming from the lake. The big rhubarb plants over there. Or they look like it. Lilies starting to come out, or been out. Or back some over there.
What's that?
It's ice. Nice.
What's that?
What is it? Well, it's like the old-fashioned fridge.
The ice house was used to store ice that had been collected from the nearby stable pond during the winter months. The ice was packed between layers of straw which insulated the ice, keeping it frozen throughout the following year. The ice was mostly used during the summer months for preserve items such as meat and fish, cool drinks and produce dishes such as sorbet.
How do you know that? What's that?
Pet cemetery.
I think so.
Yeah. Gosh. Prince Belucci.
Yeah.
Gan the fynyddiwr, dail hawl. Mae gan y ddail hawfachio am bob awr a ddau dydd. Wedi'r hawl symud trwy'r ardd mae'r fan yn y canol yn hyfryd ysgol ar y marcia yn gan ddyfangas cant y hi o gloch.
Tell you we're what in time.
Which means
That's what I'll be doing when I get home. Cutting the lawn soon, but I won't be sitting on a lawnmower like that.
Would you want a garden like this?
No, it's too much time. Be alright for a couple of weeks, but you know, the intensity of it would be too much.
Yeah.
But Sarah came and stayed here with Simon's uncle, auntie. Yeah. Stayed a couple of nights here. I don't know how much it would cost. I would imagine it would. A garden like this, I would say £5,000 a week. So he hasn't cut this edge very level, has he? Must have slipped on the ladder somewhere.
Excuse me, sir.